In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to log into Tubi TV on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, open the Tubi TV app and wait for it to load. And once the app is loaded, in the top left side you'll see sign in. So navigate to that. And once you press X on sign in, you'll be taken here. Now enter here email, and after entering, go on continue and press X. If you do not want to log in through here, there is also another way. So you can go on sign in another way and press X. So I have entered here my email, so I'm going to just press continue through here. Now you have to enter age. After entering, go on start watching and press X. Now wait for it to load. And so I am now logged in, and now I can watch the shows and movies on Tubi TV. So this is how you can log into Tubi TV on PS5. Thanks for watching.